All right, prime time. Here's the video to find our randomize our jersey numbers for tonight's Hall of Fame jersey number 4. We'll check the time here, March 2nd at 6:42 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. Whoops, little live. It's all right. We have March 2nd, 6:42 p.m. Here's a list of our 10 entrants. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whatever number pops up in front of your name will be the number you have for tonight's break. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1. Okay. Super randomizing. 2. Still 2. Looking for 3. Still 2, looking for 3. Still 2, looking for 3. There's 3. 3, looking for 4. Come on, you can do it. 3, looking for 4. Holy moly. 3, looking for 4. 3, looking for 4. Come on, you can do it. What is going on? 3, looking for 4. Here we go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. I got faith. Well, I'm going to let it sit until we get an error or it goes another round. So we may have to redo this one. I don't know what's going on. 3, looking for 4. Come on. A 3-minute video to randomize 6 rounds. 3, looking for 4. What is happening? All right, well, we may have to kill this and redo it. I don't know what's going on. Hello. Anyone? Hello. Hey, round 4. Round 5. Oh, round 6. We're done. It only took 3 minutes. All right, we'll get the list posted. You guys can trade numbers if you like, and then we'll see you tonight for the break.